over the next 3 lessons, we're gonna learn how to do a reverse VLOOKUP, which means a VLOOKUP from right to left. And for this, we're gonna learn about the index formula, the match formula, and then how to combine them together. So this lesson is focused on index. Before we go into index, I'm just gonna show you what I mean by reverse VLOOKUP or right to left VLOOKUP. Basically, in this table, I have names, results, and grades. So if I want to get the grade of Bob, I'm gonna do VLOOKUP. Very easy. I select Bob. I will select my table. I will say it's the third column, and then I'll say it's false. And again, if you're not that familiar with VLOOKUPs, I will put a link in the description so you can check this lesson. So I get 72. This is nice. The problem will come if I know 72 and I want to know who got 72. I can do a VLOOKUP this way. So obviously I could copy my data and paste it here and then do a VLOOKUP. So I'm going to select 72. Then I select this table. I say 2 and false. And then I'll get it. But this is not best practice. So we will see how to fix that. Now let's understand index. Index will give me the certain row in a table based on a row number and a column number. So let's try a simple example. So let's assume that in grade I want to get 72. How do I do this? Equal index, open parenthesis, we select our array. I'm going to select this as an array to make it simple. And then I put comma. And I need the row number. Now my first row, because I selected from here, is 89. 72 is my second row. So I'm going to put 72. And I'm not going to use column number for now. So we close the parenthesis and we get 72. Now let's assume we want to get mark. And now we're going to use the column just to show you another way to look at this formula. I'm going to do equal index array. This time, instead of selecting just this, I'm going to select the whole table. Then my row number, let's assume that I want to get Anna's name. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's 4. My column number, it will start. This is my first column, second column, third column. So I want my first column, right? So I'm going to put 1 and then close parenthesis, enter, and you get Anna.